Watch the family forces look up into the incision, works it up and down. Blood spurts all over the doctors, the nurses, and the wall. The cup makes a horrible sucking sound. Once I was caught short without instrument one, and removed an uterine tumor with my teeth. Watch the family forces look up into the
of the heart, memories behind the walls, left you in endless withdrawal. Skin, table the surgical knife, spraying the knives through the car, thrown on the hospital floor. Yeah, we better advise, patience about to pass, patience about to drive, patience about to sensation now. This can be the final stage. Patience about to break. We can find settlements. Much longer time. Closing the clock on the wall. Vision starting to begin. Hours are turning to days. Now only the echo remains. Roaming the hallways at night, facing the darkness and why. Yeah, we better advise. Patience about to pass, patience about to drive, patience about to lose sensation now. This will be the final stage. Patience about to break. We can find the sentence much longer. If anyone had us a club. Yeah, we better fast. Patience about to pass. Patience about to drop. Patience about to lose sensation now. This could be the final stage. Patience about to break. We can find sanity much longer now. Always unplaying the kids, always unplaying the room, always unplaying so we feel now. This could be the final stage. Patience about to break. We can find sanity much longer.